Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and today is Thursday. I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today we have a 3-layer cake. The first layer is our 5 routines: morning routine, laundry, paper routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. The 3 of those are the morning routine items. I mean, they happen in the morning. They're routines for the morning part of the day, and 2 of them are for the evening part of the day. The after dinner routine and the before bed routine. Unless you work and you can't get your laundry and paper done in the morning, then that's going to happen in the afternoon. Or you could delegate it. Okay, probably not delegate the paper. All right, today is Thursday. It is Errand day. So we have the three layers of our cake, the routines, which we've just talked about, the basic weekly plan, which is Errand day, but we're going to save that to the end when we can go. We're going to work on our zone before we work on our basic weekly plan. So our zone is zone 1. If you're at home, you're going to dash out to the front part of your house and work on your foyer or your front door or the inside of the front door or the foyer closet or the dining room if it's really right there, or the stairway or the front porch or the sidewalk, something to make your home more welcoming. Don't spend hours out there. We're talking 10 minutes. If there's clutter, 15, but there's usually not a lot of clutter unless you have like a wraparound porch that's just loaded with stuff. And in that case, yes, get rid of that clutter first, okay? Imagine how wonderful it'll be with your chairs and your flower pots, and just have your tea out there in the afternoon or your coffee in the morning, but you can't do it when there's old mowers and boxes and things out there. Let's get rid of it, okay? All right, so that's our zone, and then once the zone is done, we're going to do our errands. Now I'm talking to at-home fly babies right now. So get that done, and then take your list that you made yesterday. You know your budget. If you go over all the time, then take cash with you. So go by the bank and get cash and vow to spend $1 less. If you get up to the cashier and you've gone over, then start putting things back. I know you bought things you didn't need. Put those things back. If you continue to buy like this, you will never ever be on budget. If you continue to buy like this, you might consider ordering your groceries online where you can control how much you have spent, and then put your order in and all you have to do is go pick it up. It might adjust out a little bit. Mine usually goes down a little bit after I place my order and everything settles, because they actually spend less than I thought they were going to spend. But that's at Walmart. But you know, you have a lot more control that way, okay? All right, so come home after you've done all your errands, come home and put your groceries away. Yesterday, if you disciplined yourself, you've cleaned out your fridge a little bit, your pantry and your freezer, and you know right where those things are going to go. Take the time to wrap them properly and put them away, okay? All right, if you work, you're not going to run the errand of groceries today because that would be impractical. If you work outside the home, you're going to do your morning routines with the kids after you've done yours, and you're going to go to work. When you're at work, you're going to be able to run some errands on your lunch hour, not your groceries, but whatever else you might have to do. Maybe you have to buy a birthday present or some cards or some stamps. You can go do that. Maybe you need to pick up a bra at the store, which is just a block away. Go do that. You know, there's things you can do on your lunch hour. A pair of shoes. You can go shoe shopping on your lunch hour. Just don't overspend. Stay in that budget. All right, and then when you come home, maybe you can even place your order for your groceries. And then when you come home, there's a lot of different options for people depending on their schedules. You can pick your groceries up on the way home. Some people who get off early enough might choose to actually shop on their way home. That's fine. If that's not feasible, then you're going to get your groceries on Saturday. Hopefully you can get them ordered. Maybe you can have them delivered. It depends on what they offer in your area. Okay, next thing we're going to do is when you get home, you're going to start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, inspect what you expect. All of these are one step at a time. Don't overwhelm yourself. Just do one thing after the other. Before you know it, you'll have it all done. Then you're going to go start supper. We're going to start supper probably first. And then while it's holding, you're going to work on your foyer for about 10 minutes, or your entryway for about 10 minutes, unless you have clutter. And then after dinner, the whole family helps with the after dinner routine, then the before bed routines for your children and yourself. Children are in bed first, so you can enjoy some time alone with your spouse or yourself. And that's your day. So if you'll just follow these little steps I'm giving you, I worked, so I know that this is not impossible or improbable. It just requires discipline. Working is, I know that people who don't work say, oh, I wish I worked because I'm at home all day and the kids are at home and the house is getting messier and messier, and if I wasn't at home, no one would be home and the house would stay neat. And the ones who work say, oh, I wish I was at home. There's so many things I could be doing, and then I could enjoy my afternoon. You know what, everyone, the grass is always greener. It is always greener. So embrace the situation you're in. This is a season of your life. And this is what you're going to do, the very best you can. And I want you to do that, and I'm very proud of you for doing it. Have a wonderful Thursday, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.